T2.2a. Properties of absolute values. The absolute value has the following fundamental properties, where a and b are real numbers. We may let a is equal to 3 and b is equal to -2. A. Absolute value of a is greater than or equal to 0. For example, absolute value of 3 is greater than or equal to 0. B. Absolute value of -a is equal to absolute value of a. For example, absolute value of -3 is equal to absolute value of 3, which is equal to 3. C. Absolute value of a plus b is equal to absolute value of b plus a. For example, absolute value of 3 plus -2 is equal to absolute value of -2 plus 3, which is equal to 1. D. Absolute value of b minus with a, is equal to absolute value of a minus with b. For example, absolute value of -2 minus with 3, is equal to absolute value of 3 minus with -2, which is equal to 5. E. Absolute value of a multiplied with b, is equal to absolute value of a multiplied with absolute value of b. For example, absolute value of 3 multiplied with -2, is equal to absolute value of 3 multiplied with absolute value of -2, which is equal to 6. F. Absolute value of a is divided by b, is equal to absolute value of a is divided by absolute value of b. For example, absolute value of 3 is divided by -2, is equal to absolute value of 3 is divided by absolute value of -2, which is equal to 3/2.